YouTube, man, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Reese in the Cut, and I'm back with y'all with another video today. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, all right, so you guys been asking for more how to make money skills. You know what I'm saying? You know, y'all know I do money motivation, you know, the psychology of money, right? But y'all been asking and been requesting okay, how can we actually make the money, right? So I want to give you guys a nice educational video today. And before we get into the video, I just want to say, man, shout out to everybody for the birthday wishes and everything, man. So I'm trying to get back to everybody. You know, it's been a crazy weekend. Like, it was absolutely crazy, man. These bugs are going to be the death of this video, but thank you to everybody. We turned 22 yesterday. Yeah, I'm blessed. I'm blessed to be in the position that I'm in right now. But I don't want to talk you guys' ears off because you guys came here for one reason only. You guys want to learn how you can make 10K plus a month just from content creation. All right. So without further ado, let's hop straight into it. So if you are struggling to make some extra cash on the side of your 9-to-5 job and you're trying to get your hustle on like your boy Reese, today's video is sponsored by Free Cash. You literally can run up some quick and easy money by just playing games on your phone, and just by clicking the QR code or going to the link in the description, they're gonna give you guys a free $10 just from even doing that. So go ahead, download the games, play the games, bro, and earn some quick and easy money. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description and go get your hustle on, my nigga. There's plenty of ways to get to it, bro. Back to the video. So first off, right, I want this video to be really educational and I don't want to sugarcoat anything. So first off, I just want to let you guys know, a lot of you guys be having the questions, okay, how much does YouTube Shorts pay? What is the best platforms that pay the most money? And I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. YouTube pays the most money and YouTube will always be the godfather of ad revenue. So that's the first stream of income, because in order to make these 10+K months, ad revenue is cool, but it fluctuates. So you guys always want to have multiple different things that you guys got going on. So I recommend YouTube, long form videos, short form content. They've been patched. All right. Maybe if you was posting short form content around 2022, 2023, maybe close to 2024, you probably was making some decent money, but now it's like something called qualified views and all that type of stuff, where engaged viewers, where it's just absolutely different. So long form content, go YouTube all day, every day. And let's start off with the ad revenue breakdown and all that type of stuff. There is a term called evergreen content. So this is what you need to be posting in order to make these, just from ad revenue, YouTube alone. If you're making evergreen content, you're going to make nothing less than $4,000 to $5,000 a month just from ad revenue. And what do I mean by evergreen content? Basically, evergreen content is basically content that's so valuable that it just keeps getting views month after month, week after week, day after day, because it's so valuable that people are it's getting put in the SEO, right? The search engine optimization system is getting put on recommended every single day. Like that video, how to make how to save your first $10,000 without a high paying job. That is a overly evergreen content video. And that is the type of videos that you guys need to be kind of making, right? I get it. A lot of you guys want to, post content, you want to make funny vlogs with your friends. You want to do all those type of things. That's cool. But if you guys want to make these 10K plus months, evergreen content is the way to go, because that's the thing. Every single month, you're not going to have a hit video every month. I mean, you could if you work hard, that's cool, but let's be realistic. You're not going to have a hit video. When I mean a hit, I'm talking about a 1 million view video. So you need to be making evergreen content that people are visiting every month. So it's kind of like a leverage thing, if that kind of makes sense. So some examples of some evergreen content is career-based content, how to make money content, self-improvement content, fitness, stuff in the world that people are kind of struggling with. Like this is evergreen content right here. You guys are watching this video for a purpose. You want to learn how to make some money doing content creation. You know what I'm saying? You want to learn how to make 5-figure months doing content creation. This is evergreen. This is what we like to call evergreen content, because somebody tomorrow is going to watch it. Somebody the next day is going to watch it. And it's going to be in the recommended system forever. It does not matter if it's 7 years, 10 years, it's gonna always cycle around. That's what we call evergreen, right? You guys know the recycling bin, the evergreen recycling thing that you might see on the trash can. right? It's basically content that just keeps getting recycled. Also, why this is evergreen content? Because other content creators, they are making videos just like this and they're branching off and just throwing their own little spice and twist to it. That's why I say evergreen content, because look, somebody could take this video and they can literally remix it, reformalization it. I don't even think that's a word. I just made that up. But they could literally take that and make it and make some money off of it. That's why we make evergreen videos. Well, check this out right here. This is where a lot of content creators, they definitely go wrong. And this is where a lot of people, they tap out. This is where they exit the race of the content creation game, right? So besides the ad revenue, a lot of people, they don't like to branch off. They don't like to seem like, oh, I'm selling the course, or I'm scamming my audience. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you seem money hungry. Because, you know, let's be honest, a lot of people who sell courses, or, you know, they sell digital products, a lot of people like to call them scammers, or they're money hungry, or they're going broke because they're selling a service or something. Like, fuck what everybody talking about. They don't know what they're talking about. All right. You know what I'm saying? Only content creators will understand this method right here. Basically, you're just taking your expertise knowledge, bro. Like, you're capitalizing off your content. Like, once you start to become like once you get to a certain level in your content creating journey, you are now living proof, if that makes sense. Like, let's say you accumulate 10,000 subscribers. Not everybody has 10,000 subscribers. There might not be a lot, but there's somebody out there that would kill or would love to have 10,000 subscribers. So you are now proof. You now have the ability, and you have, it's like you're certified to be able to talk about how to accumulate 10,000 subscribers. You literally can come out with a coaching, teaching program, a digital product, a service on how to grow on social media. That's just an example. Okay. So basically, you know, it's called digital marketing. You're marketing whatever your expertise, knowledge, just from, you know what I'm saying? Just to like, it's just to reward and compensate yourself, right? A lot of people, you know what I'm saying? They like to get it twisted and say, oh, people are selling courses, they're money hungry. But at the end of the day, you're a content creator. You gotta eat. What people don't see from the outside world is, bro, literally ad revenue, it goes up, it goes down, you know, it fluctuates. Sometimes you barely see anything at all. So it's like, it's just kind of just making sure that you're set, because you want to keep dropping videos. Like, that's the thing. People want you to keep dropping videos, but they don't want you to eat. They don't want you to take care of yourself. You got to look out for yourself. As an entrepreneur and a content creator, bro, this is probably one of the easiest games to fall off in. It's simple. Besides the rap game, it's so easy to fall off as a content creator and go back broke, depending on ad revenue. So you have to look out for yourself. And this is how you're going to have those 10K plus months. So take your expertise knowledge, whatever you are doing your content on, and whatever you start to gain, you know what I'm saying, some momentum on, that is what you're going to basically resell. If you're like, let's say you're a chef, you do cooking content, you're blowing up off making cooking videos, you're going to teach people how to cook. You're going to teach people all that type of stuff. And all you got to do is drop one digital product. All you got to do is drop one digital product. And it literally, it can sell for months and years every single day. Evergreen digital products. Like, this whole game is about making evergreen products. The videos, the product, from everything that can literally be ran up in your sleep. This is how you're going to become that 6-figure content creator that you want to become. This is probably the best part of the video right here. Now that you've done all the hard work, the dirty work, you're being consistent, putting out evergreen content, dropping digital products, you're getting brand deals, everything like that. This is the money maker. Even if all that stuff leaves, even if it is not consistent, this right here, this one pointing at, if you guys don't get the point by now, your face is the money maker. It's the new money maker now. Okay. You can charge people, you can charge for promo. You know, you can reach out to brands. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is your resume. You now are, it's not just a 6-figure content creator. You are a 6-figure content, like, making machine. Like, you are a money printing machine. That's what I'm saying. Like, this is how creators never fall off. They never go broke, because this becomes your money maker. And as long as you showing up, you can't, it's almost like you can't go back broke unless you got bad spending habits, and you gonna make these 10K plus months. You feel me? So, man, I appreciate you guys listening to the video. Take some of the gems, man. I wanted to record on my phone today, because, man, sometimes I just miss recording on my phone. Like, I just be like thinking back to my younger days. It's something about recording on the phone that just makes me so hungry. You know what I'm saying? It makes me think of the days when I started off on the phone. So, you know what I'm saying? I didn't feel like recording on my camera today. And plus, I'm in nature. I want everything to just feel natural, right? So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know I love this. Y'all know I love this content stuff even more. I love y'all even more. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey, skate.